In this video, we will study about the defects which are produced during a rolling operation. So there can be two kinds of defects. One is the surface defects. Second one is the internal defects. Okay. So as the name says, the surface defects are those defects which are caused on the surface of the specimen, while the internal defects are caused inside the microstructure. Okay. So internal defects are further classified as wavy edges or zipper cracks, and they can be further classified into edge cracks and center splits, alligating, folds, and laminations. So what are surface defects? The surface defects includes cracks or rust or scale or scratches which gets generated on the surface of a workpiece. So these kinds of defects generally occurs due to the impurities or inclusions that are present in the material, or it can also be dependent upon the different conditions in which the metal was produced, or on different conditions in which rolling operation is being done. The second category of defects, which is the internal defects. So the first among the internal defects is the wavy edges and zipper cracks. And what are these? We'll study now. So these kinds of defects are caused by the bending of rolls under the rolling pressure. So what happens when we are doing a rolling operation? The rolls which acts like a straight cylinder or a straight bar tends to bend under the pressure. So due to this bending, there is an uneven load which is applicable on the material. So this causes material to generate some defects. Okay, so what actually happens, that that in the center there is a tensile force. Okay, and at the edges there is a compressive force. Okay, so this causes a zipper cracks to develop in the center and wavy edges to develop around the edges. So the way to remove these kinds of defects, the remedy of these kinds of defect is provide a camber on the roll. And by camber I mean that make a roll a little bit of convex shape, so that the rolls are like this kind of shape. Okay, so make rolls a little bit of convex shape, so that when there is a pressure applicable here on these sides, this will tend to bend. Okay, and when this will bend, you will have a straight edge. Okay, so in this way you can avoid these kinds of pressures. Okay, so this is a typical representation of wavy edges. This first one is a wavy edge, and the second one is a zipper crack. Okay, so cracks will be developed in the center like this. Okay, these are the cracks. The next category of the defects is edge cracks and center splits. Okay, so these kinds of defects are caused due to the non-homogeneous plastic deformation of metal across the widths. Okay, so the deformation of the material is not constant. At some places the deformation will be more, at some places the deformation will be less, and this non-homogeneous deformation will cause the material to crack. Okay, because the place where more deformation is there, this will elongate more. The place where less deformation is there, this will elongate less, and hence the continuity of the material will get distorted. Okay, so what happens that as the workpiece passes through the rolls under the rolling pressure, its height decreases while its length increases. Okay, and this phenomenon causes defects which can cause a split of the material in the center. Okay, so typical representation of a edge cracking is this figure, and a typical representation of a split at the center is this. The next kind of defect is alligatoring. So what alligatoring is? Alligatoring is the rupture of material along the length into a upper half and a lower half, representing the open mouth of an alligator. This kind of defect is called alligatoring. The next kind of defect is called folds or a folding of material. what happens that when the reduction rate per pass is very low, okay, so you are reducing a very less thickness of a material in a single pass, then what will happen that the layers of the material it will be like, you will see that these layers are kind of folding. So this kind of defect will be called as folds. The next kind of defect is called laminations. And what happens due to incomplete welding of pipes and blowholes? Okay, blowholes are generally generated when you are producing a material, okay, by casting. Okay, so what happens that when there are incomplete welding of blowholes, there are blowholes present in the material. Okay, blowholes are small holes which are like small air pockets inside the material which gets generated during the casting operation. So what will happen that when you will roll this material, so these like these blowholes will generate a small fissures, okay, small ruptures inside the material. Okay, so in severe circumstances these small ruptures can generate a small cracks inside the material, and the upper layer of the material will kind of peel off. It will appear that this material is laminated by a different layer on the top, and this kind of defect is called laminations. Okay, so these were the rolling defects which we will which are there in our syllabus. We'll meet in the next video.